Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody. So let's take a look again on euro currency. So as you can see, recently we just not occasionally said that we have some worry about the head and shoulders pattern that was forming recently in the intraday charts, as we suggested that really not big chances that it will work, just because in the environment that we have, that we are taking every time at it, I mean interest rates first of all and dollar index performance, and this performance that we see really gives very small room for euro currency to show some more or less significant pullback. So you can see it's probably our suggestion was correct, and as you can see it is very useful in such circumstances to get the more background, more context for taking the position. As we said yesterday, do not take position at least until you get either grabber or starting upward action from the support area, but we haven't got anything of that. So what expect currently? So right now overall environment hasn't changed. So if we'll take a look at the dollar index after the minor stop here in these two sessions, yesterday it kept going higher, and as you understand, this core CPI that supposedly was a bit lower than was expected, you understand that this is just data noise fluctuations, and it can be treated as improvements because it stands very close to the expectation, while the nominal inflation even has increased for 8.4%, 8.5. So that mostly stands in a row with our long-term view. We suggest now we have the April, so we suggest that this month and May some capital still will go out from the Europe to the United States. It means that June will be the first month where this flow will be significantly smaller, and it means that in July we theoretically could get data, statistics that slightly starts to hint on the problems. It's more probable that brighter and more evident we will see it in August and September. So that's approximately agrees with the idea that closer to the end of the year, the structural problems in the economy should appear brighter. Until this moment, for the summer, we probably will get some mixed statistics. It will not be too bad, but it might be not very good. So in general, this will be so-so, and that makes investors a bit deceived by these numbers, suggesting that maybe Fed is getting some results, some Fed is improving situation in the United States economy, but we suggest that it will be just because of the big capital flows from the Europe to the United States, and that's disguise the problems by far. So anyway, this is dollar index, this is interest rates. So yes, after the small pause here as well, today is again upward action reestablished. So in this environment on euro currency, as you understand, we are focused on the minimum target of this week. That is based actually on a weekly bearish grabber, and this grabber suggests taking out of these lows. So once situation with the hand and shoulders has failed, so that was potentially the hand and shoulders that might be formed. Even good inflation wasn't able to help, but at least we have tried. So with this collapsed, hand and shoulders already raised, the market dropped below these lows, and currently it seems that it's very probable that we will get the butterfly. The minimum destination, nearest destination points will be 107.75. So that's the target that we could keep an eye on within a couple of sessions. Hopefully until the Easter holidays, this will be completed. So that's what we have on the euro currency. And just 2 cents on the Great British pound. You know that lots of you watching for that. Here, recall our long-term stuff that we discussed with this action, this ABCD pattern, and we said this might be reaction on 127. Butterfly, but later cable probably should hit the XOP and keep going lower. So currently, as you can see, it stands on the way, and is coming to the target that's probably also might be hit this week's 128, 28, 86. So XOP and 1618 extension here. So that's what we have currently, guys. Let's keep watching.